Why should you wait for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra? Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Samsung started working on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra is far away from its official release, but we are started getting leaks and rumors regarding the S23 Ultra. Meanwhile, it is now clear that Samsung is working on Galaxy Z Fold 4 along with the S23 Ultra, which is amazing in one aspect. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra expected release date is going to be 8th of Feb 2023 next year. Let's hope Samsung will fix the chip shortage issue since S22 Ultra is already suffering from it since its launch 2 months ago. Samsung will redesign the display for the Galaxy S23 Ultra and we may see for the first time a waterfall display in any Samsung device. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below are you excited for the new waterfall display in Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to IC Universe, Samsung has the ability to produce quad curved display in mass, which means it is indicating that we are going to see quad curved display in S23 Ultra, which eventually calls waterfall display. Noting this, that the waterfall display will not have a camera punch hole cut out, but you can get edge-to-edge display. Knowing this, it is also clear that we are going to get UDC under display camera that Samsung is going to use in Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to the rumors, Samsung will use Fold 4 under display camera in the S23 Ultra, and that is the reason Samsung is making S23 Ultra along with the Galaxy Fold 4, and this comes out when we get the codename of the S23 Ultra from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra codename is Project Diamond. First it was predicted as a scrollable phone, but later Ross Young confirmed that it is Galaxy S23 Ultra. Things didn't stop here. Samsung is going to use 200 megapixel main lens in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung revealed the sensor last year and Motorola Frontier will be the first ever phone to feature this lens this year, and this could be the big competition between iPhone 14 and the Galaxy S23 Ultra since Apple is also updating to 48 megapixel lens this year. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor with the new X70 modem, which will enhance the performance and provide 10 gigabit per second speeds on 5G and comes with the built-in AI. It's too far to say anything about the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below are you excited for a new waterfall display in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.